Need to get your tax forms from Wealthsimple? Here's a quick guide to help you download them easily. First of all, log into your Wealthsimple account using your email and password. Once logged in, go to the Documents section. This is where all your tax forms are stored. Look for the specific tax forms you need, such as T4, T5, or T1135, depending on your account type and activities. Click the download button next to each form to save it to your computer. Make sure to check the date to ensure you have the correct year's forms. Open the downloaded forms to verify all the information is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, contact Wealthsimple support for assistance. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded your tax forms from Wealthsimple. You are now ready to file your taxes.